Hey guys, it's Caden from Caden's Outdoor Life. Welcome back to a new video, and today we're going to be using the grapple to grapple up some of this brush. You have to grapple up this brush and push it back because we're planning on cutting down these two trees here. They're starting to rot out, and I'll show you guys the trees in just a second. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy, so stay tuned. Okay guys, this is what we're working with today. It's all this brush right here, and those two trees right there is the ones that we're going to cut down. Those two right there. There's some pine trees growing in here, and just this nasty thorns and vines and all that. So we're going to push it back to about, here I'll show you guys. Push it back to about right about here. And so all this is going to go. All this is going to go right here and clear around the trees the best we can, but we got to be careful because if you see up there that limb is I don't know if anything's connected to it, so, and it fell down, so if that falls on us, that won't be a good day. We have this grapple here. We're going to grapple, clamp it up, and yeah, and then we're going to pick up this pile here. So here, I'll show you guys how far it's coming back. We already did this corner right here, so it's going back to about right here. So all this over there, so about 15-20 feet that way, and then about maybe 15 feet this way. So yeah, let's get to work. Let's get the grappling this up. uprooted that one. We go haul it off into the pile now. Hey guys, it's the next day and I wanted to come back and show you guys an update of some work I did off camera and how this grapple project came out. So I'll show you guys. Okay, so as you guys seen, I grappled around these few trees that were here. Just this one, and those two other ones. I'll probably make a video of us cutting these two big trees down. They're starting to rot and fall down and they're just not looking too pretty right now. So we put the rippers down and ripped up this ground and evenly just made it nice and smooth, and then we'll come back and when grass starts growing we mow it and it'll look nice and pretty. I wanted to walk around and show you guys how it turned out, and we got a lot of rain and it's still not puddling much, so that's a good sign. Just that one area right there, that low spot. So yeah, I want to show you guys around. Today I wanted to go to the tractor and show you guys a look on how this grapple works and how it works for me. And it's 60-inch. About 200 to 300 pounds, the perfect size for this tractor. I wanted to show you guys how it opens and closes. So if you guys have some property and wood that you need picked up, branches, logs and stuff, I want to show you guys how it clamps it. So let me get you guys a couple clips on how this closes and opens. Like this, you can get your brush and stuff very tight in there. It'll squeeze it all together and barely have any room for anything to fall out. So that's really nice how this grapple, these things come together and really grab that stuff. So if you guys have some logs and stuff you need help picking up, this grapple will really work for you. It's from CID Attachments. It's 60-inch, so if you have a T264 or a 24 to 25 horsepower tractor, this is just the right. So I wanted to show you guys how that works. Okay guys, that'll be the end of this video. If you guys like this style video of grapple work, please hit that like button and subscribe for me. It really helps me out, and stay tuned for the next one. If you guys want to see more grapple work, this is just the beginning on my channel. There's going to be a lot more grapple videos, box blade videos, bucket videos, and just anything else, land plane videos when we get that. And so stay tuned for that. I hope you guys have a nice night and catch you guys out on the next one.